So I've got these plants out here on this deck that we've had in these planters for a while. Some of them, as you can see, are going to flower and going to seed. Some of them are putting up new shoots and growing. Some of them aren't doing very well. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take some of these and just go ahead and put them in the garden where out there where I did that 4x8 square out there and put the potatoes in. I'm going to go ahead and I did a little bit of research to find out what's a good companion plant for potatoes. And these chickies, what are y'all doing? Y'all, what on earth? Freaking chickens. They're worse than the cats. Every time I come out here, they've got to follow me around. Y'all think I got something for you, don't you? Hmm? Yeah, I talked about the garden and the every time they hear my voice, they just come running. They think I'm a source of food, which I guess I am. But anyway, my goal right now is just to get some of these plants in the dirt, and I'm going to plant them in there with in the 4x8 square where I planted the potatoes. And these chickens are crazy. They're just going after anything that I throw out there. I get an old leaf off of here. Watch this. These chickies are crazy. You know that? Chickies are crazy. You want a stick? Yeah, go eat that stick. They're like, get an old leaf? Watch. Get an old leaf. Yeah, one of you got it. Okay. Well, let me get busy. I got to get these things in the garden. So, I'm just going to grab a few and take them out there and see if I can get that. And I'm also going to put some cucumber seeds in there. These are some Pak Choi seeds, these are Pak Choi. These that are going to the seed here. You can see the little Pak Choi plant right there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take some of these out there and hope the chickens don't freaking go after them and eat them. Darn chickens. Crazy chickies. Oh my gosh. Duck scared me. Crazy ducky. So the darn chickens were trying to get up here, get in my way, but I picked some out of these, you know, that I figured maybe we should go ahead and get these planted. I'll come back and get the Pak Choi and some of this other later, but I'm going to go ahead and put these out right out there where I put the potatoes in, right here in this 4x8 square. And I did water this right afterwards. And of course there's little butterflies everywhere. They're gonna but anyway, I want these to turn into that. But my potatoes will grow as well. So let me get busy at that. Let me set this down here. And I'm gonna just get busy sticking them in there. First I'm gonna lay them out in a spot to where I think they'll do okay. And they'll grow plenty fine with the potatoes. So before long, all this will just be lush green covered. I don't know how each one of these is going to do necessarily. But I think I'm putting them in there far enough apart. I'm not going to, you know, just worry about it too much. I think I'm just going to get them in here so that they'll be able to start putting their roots down and, you know, getting everything established for them. And I'll just make a point to come out here periodically and water them, make sure there's no bugs bothering them, Of course, see the little butterflies? Those little butterflies lay little eggs and larvae on them, and they'll grow, turn into little worm things, and you know, they want to eat the leaves. But that's okay. You know, God blesses me, and I bless, or God blesses the little buggies as well. So it's my opinion that the little buggies want to eat some of what God has provided for me, then I'm okay with that. Because who am I to tell them no? I don't want them to just demolish our garden, but I also don't want them to starve. But they're not going to starve, because there is a world of plants out there that they can enjoy. They don't have to come in here and eat all mine. So I'm just setting all these out here in good spots for them. And I'm going to end up going and getting some more. I've got a little extra space here for them. I'll go ahead and grab some of those. Some of these, I believe, are going to grow pretty big. Others may not grow big at all. But, you know, it's worth a try. Yeah, chickie. Chickies. Alright, that might be enough for that other spot. So let me get those out there. This one kind of grew into two of them, so I didn't want to disturb them too much. Oh, there's ants right here. Ants must have found something, but that's okay. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to put that there. This one right there. I think this is going to work great. All right. So, I think that's going to work good. Going to work great. That little one, I'm not sure what that is, but all right, let me put them in the dirt. Okay. I got these all stuck in the dirt. Even that little beady one right there. Got the roots down as far as I can get them, without covering up the plant itself where it's growing. And the ground is still moist there, so it should do good. So I've got different types of potatoes in here. A lot of potatoes. These are like cabbages and kales, and or not kale, maybe some kale. Cabbages, maybe some broccoli, maybe some Brussels sprouts, who knows. But anyway, they're going to take off, and they're going to grow, and they're going to do good. And really hoping to be able to get the rest of these going, and get some of these over here going a little bit better now too. So I'm going to be working busy on that. And I've got to go to the other house as well and do work over there. I got to mow the yard, and I got to do just general curb appeal type stuff over there, make it look good, check the mail. I got to move a couple of campers, you know, things like that. But anyway, wish me luck in my garden. I love my gardens.